In complex and dynamic environments, PV projects frequently encounter diverse shading challenges, such as bird droppings, chimneys, and tree shadows. These typical obstructions can significantly reduce power generation, impacting the profitability of power plants. To address these challenges, AIKO N-type ABC modules, featuring their unique partial shading optimization capability, provide a groundbreaking solution. In traditional modules, the cells fail to generate electricity under shading conditions. Instead, they act as large resistors, resulting in hotspots. Bypass diodes are triggered, causing direct power loss across the entire parallel branch. The unique structure of AIKO N-type ABC modules ensures that under shading conditions, current flows uniformly across the entire cell, minimizing the risk of hotspots. Bypass diodes remain inactive, ensuring the entire branch maintains high-efficiency power generation. Experiments demonstrate that even when a single cell is fully shaded, the N-type ABC module generates 30% more power than traditional module. Whether it's bird droppings, chimneys, or tree shadows, AIKO ABC modules can effortlessly handle these challenges, ensuring efficient power generation and providing significant long-term returns to customers. AIKO N-type ABC. Outsmarting shadings. Every watt matters. Empowering the transformation to a carbon-free society.